In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Calendar from Otter.ai. If you've been using Otter.ai for a while, you might have connected your Google Calendar so that Otter can automatically see your upcoming meetings. That can be really handy, but there may come a time when you no longer want Otter to have access to your calendar, or you simply want to clean up old integrations. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Otter.ai and what to look for, so you can safely disconnect your Google Calendar in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Otter.ai website. Log in with your usual account details. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. The Integrations page is where Otter shows all the apps and services it can connect with. Here, look for the Google integration. This is the connection that links your Google Calendar and possibly your Google account with Otter. When you locate Google in the list, you should see an option next to it that says Disconnect. Click that Disconnect button. When you do this, Otter will break the link between your account and Google Calendar. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm that you really want to disconnect. If you see a confirmation prompt, just approve it to continue. After a moment, the integration will be removed. To make sure it worked, stay on the integrations page and look again at the Google section. You should no longer see your email or calendar listed there. Instead of a disconnect button, you'll only see an add or connect button. That's a good sign that the calendar is no longer linked. If later on you change your mind, you can always come back to the same page and click that add button to reconnect Google Calendar. As a quick tip, if Otter still seems to reference calendar events after you've disconnected, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. Sometimes the interface needs a moment to update fully, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully disconnected Google Calendar from Otter.ai and removed that integration from your account.